Here's one key to freedom. And hello, cosmic souls. Welcome to another crop top pajama party. Let's begin. Freedom comes with the courage to be disliked. And courage is having the fear and doing it anyway. Because the more you become the real you, the more you may trigger people. The key is to not internalize other people's perspectives of you, because it is not your job to manage or mitigate other people's perspectives of you. It's your job to concern yourself with yourself and being the fullest expression of who you are and gain the ability to be disliked. And really, the more successful you become, or the more you step into being the real you, you will have those that don't necessarily like what they're seeing or what's going on with you. Why? Because it only reflects back to them the fears and blocks that they have about themselves, because you're reminding them that they're not living their life to their highest potential. They're not allowing themselves to express who they really are and live in that freedom. They're not allowing themselves to do the things they want. They don't have the permission slip that you do. So be the example of what it's like to write yourself a permission slip and go ahead and be who you really are. Once you realize that has nothing to do with you, other people's perspectives, only your thoughts are yours, you become way more free. So don't internalize it, don't manage it, only manage yourself and your feelings. Because if you went a day without being the fullest expression of who you really want to be and who you are, did you really live that day? Aliveness is experiencing life unrestricted. In the moment, to the degree you deny yourself the gift of life, is the moment you embrace death. This came from the book, from the book Psycho Cybernetics from Maxwell Maltz. It's not an exact quote, pretty close though. So yeah, live life to the fullest, because you're here to be alive, not to be in a coffin somewhere, sleeping, okay? To be sleeping and snoozing around. I mean, I get it, it's a pajama party after all right? It's a crop top pajama party. This is what aliveness is all about. All right, we're having fun. Much love. Hope this helped you and allowed you to take another step towards freedom and being who you really are. Okay? Love and light vibration out.